Hello, welcome to Mother of Grom. Today we'll be repairing the Fortinet DQ050 4SA screen for a HP laptop. Regardless if you broke the screen or you blame your kids for breaking the screen, the first thing you need to do is unplug the laptop. Then we'll be removing this outer circumference bezel. It is not held down by any fixings, just pushed down with plastic lugs and some adhesive, so use a pry tool to slowly ease it off. As always, take your time and be gentle. The first area I encountered resistance was the lower edge of the bezel. Owing to its thickness and lug position, this took a little bit more time to remove. Continuing with the pry tool, be careful of the ribbon cable underneath. If you do happen to lift the foil protection, try your best to stick it back on. The final release of the plastic bezel involves an upward motion, so pry back the hinge cowl and away it comes. Out with the old and in with the new, I purchased a new screen from eBay for 31 squid. Absolute bargain. Line up the new screen with the old screen to make sure you've got the correct screen. Then get on the tools again, the pry tool that is. The top part lifted off easily until I got to the sides. The sticky sides. Here started the first problem. I got on my knees. I got some tweezers. And my mind strayed to other, more simple engineering tasks. But a man whose steely resolve has been fortified by the sheer number of times he's had to fix the screens on his wife's iPhones will always lay waste to the problem ahead and see his path to victory.
Oh yeah.
On successfully releasing one side of the screen, it is worthwhile noting where the solitary ribbon cable connection is located. Now a master in the pry, tweezer pull, tweezer pry technique, the other side should come away rather easily. We are now at the simple stage of removing the ribbon cable, and acknowledging venom. Unpeel the outer tape, but keep this to use again. Remove the secondary tape and the ribbon cable should come away. It is fragile, so be careful. The screen will now lift away. Just check the new screen against the particulars of the old screen, just to make sure you've got the correct screen. And reverse the process. Begin by connecting the ribbon cable and put in the secondary tape on the ribbon cable. And at this juncture, you may as well flip up the screen and test the screen. Yay! Let's celebrate by putting on the secondary piece of securing tape. You are going to need some 14-inch laptop adhesive strips. I went for 0.4 millimeters and I had to cut them down. On applying the strips to both sides, please check this metal arm is correctly located at the top of the screen. Then it's time to reattach the bezel. As the bezel is flexible, I got the top part in first. On doing the bottom part, you need to be careful of the ribbon cable. This stage was trial and error. I found it helped to pull away the hinge cowling as the corner feet of the bezel needed a downward force. I worked my way along, clicking the cowl and the bezel back into place. All that was left was to remove the screen cover and plug in the power. One final power on test. Go me. I protected the old screen and packaged it up to be sent back until the next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.